Hello scrappers. I finished loading this up yesterday after I got back from the doctor. Threw a couple of them old junky riding mowers up there. Add a little more weight. Either that or would have had to wait maybe a few more weeks to get some more scrap because it wasn't quite full to the top, but not a bad load. Get it out of here. I got, I think, 5 refrigerators down there in the field right now, and I got to pick up another one this afternoon, so that'll get me about a half a load of refrigerators. So get this emptied and get back, get that other one picked up, and then get them up on the front. And then I got some other projects to do around here. Yeah, kind of hurting on burn barrel sales right now. My competition up in Newcastle there, they dropped, I don't know, they must be overflowing with burn barrels because they dropped their price to $5. I had someone call yesterday, asked if I'd match the price. I told them no. I thought about asking them if they'd match the price of the burn barrels in Norman, because they want $20 for a burn barrel in Norman, and $15 in Purcell. So if they want me to match the price, I could ask them if they want to match prices. Works both ways, right? Say that door swings both ways. Nah, they want to run $5 barrels, that's fine. I mean, I'm giving $2 for the barrel, which I got, you know, that big pile I'm still working on. I gave less than $1 a piece for those. I still got some of those left. So I could have probably matched it, but, you know, I just soon not go there. I'm not that hard up. I have to make that $10. But anymore, I have to pay $2 a piece for them. That last load I gave $2 a piece, and then I got to drive an hour to pick them up, an hour back. You know, so I got, you know, gas. So there's probably at least pretty close to $1 a piece in gas. So there's $3. Then I got to cut the tops out and drain them. So there's a little bit of work involved in them. So after all my expense, not counting the work, I'd only be making $2 a barrel. And then I got to put up with, you know, all kinds of different idiots that are messaging me back and forth, and a lot of them just, you know, once they get the address, they never, you know, you never hear from them again. So they never show up or anything else. So, and I got to sit there and constantly babysit the computer or my phone, one or the other. And you know, that cuts into my time getting stuff done. Anyway, I'm rattling. I'm gonna get out here and get this started. Go fix my ice chest, throw some bottled water in there, get some good cold water. It's windy today out of the south, and it's only about 50 degrees out here right now. They're saying 70 for a high, so I think it was only 55 for a high yesterday. Get off here, go get this done, and get back and let you guys know what it's paying. I called Metal Check. They're paying $170 a ton, so they've dropped down 15 a ton. But I've been seeing on the Scrap Metal Talk group on Facebook, a lot of people have been saying their yards have dropped. So that's another reason I figured I better get this in before it drops too much. So we'll see you guys in the next, well, not in the next video, but we'll see you guys when I get back with this load, or get back with the pay ticket. So see you in a bit. Yeah, waiting here in line. I got a vehicle up here, so I got to go through all the paperwork. Got unloaded. I guess their little compactor here is broke down. So they got a nice big pile of shred there, and then up there where that crane is working there, just past the guard shack. Got another pile of shred. You can see the mountains of stuff they got here. Just dirt, gas tanks, all kinds of metal mixed in, probably tires. Yeah, a lot in there. If they get that cleaned up, they'd have a lot of room here. I don't understand why they got it like that, because you don't see any other scrapyard around Oklahoma City, you know, with piles like this. So I don't know what the deal is, but maybe they'll get that fixed one of these days. We are back with the pay ticket. Now, the pay ticket's going to be a couple dollars low because, well, I was pulling straps off the dump trailer. I looked over and saw this vise laying there. So I kind of motioned to the crane operator, hey, can I throw this in the back of my truck? I think those things sell for $50 to $75 if I remember right. So I've been kind of wanting one of those for a long time. It was kind of a blacksmith vise. So there it is anyway. It's handle's got a slight bend to it, so I can possibly take the settling torch, heat it up nice and red, and maybe straighten it up. So that shouldn't be hard to do. But anyway, we'll get on with the pay ticket. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I picked up. So, not sure if that thing's going to focus in or not. Just kind of zoom in a little. Got 170 a ton. We had 4,820 pounds. So that load was definitely heavier than I thought it was. For a total of $409.70. I saw that and I said, oh yeah, I like that. I like those $400 loads. Yeah, just think if that was, if scrap was paying better, it could have been a $500 load, but yeah, I'm happy with 400. Definitely happy with 400. Need to get a couple batteries for that 1 ton, so that's probably where some of that's going to go. At least buy one battery for now. I got a 12-volt battery in here I need to check out. Might try to slip it in there and see if that works. But I'm happy with that payday for sure. Very happy. Very happy. Yeah, I came home and put 50 in the gas tank before I got home, and then went and picked up that refrigerator side by side. So I got to pull it out and get it on the trailer. Now I got 5 down in the field I'll have to bring up and get on there. So that'll probably keep me busy the rest of the day. It's only 2:30, but that'll keep me busy for a little while. So one of them I'm going to have to kind of watch, because a friend of ours needed a couple of hinges for side by side, the top hinges, so I may have to take the roll of duct tape out there and tape the doors on, since there's no hinges on top anymore. So now I got to figure out where I'm going to put that. But even if I pick that up for short iron, it's still going to pay better than that other, but I'm sure I can put that on Marketplace if I decide I don't want to keep it. So pretty nice little vise. Anyway, I guess I'll call it a video and let you guys get on with your lives or on to the next video. And I want to thank everybody for stopping by, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So you guys take care. Happy scrapping.